Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for February 11th to the 25th. And we're going to look at the teleconnections. We have the AO, which is predicted to remain positive in the next 2 weeks as heights remain across all currently remain mixed. And we'll take a look at that. Oh, I probably won't show that much, but you get an idea of what I'm talking about here across this area here. And the North Atlantic oscillation is also positive. It's predicted to remain positive for the next 2 weeks, as height anomalies currently negative are predicted across Greenland. You can see it right here. Okay, and over the next 2 weeks. I'm getting tongue-tied a little bit. Okay, and during this period, we're expecting a ridge, trough, ridge configuration. This will be the 11th to the 15th. Trough, ridge configuration, more of a zonal flow here in the east. And heights, again, will remain below normal here across Greenland. That's the whole thing. We're looking at the blocking. So the AO and NAO will be positive during this period. Now, we'll take a look at the PNA, positive. Oh, look, it goes negative at the end. That's there might be a change coming. We're still expecting a polar vortex of a disruption in the near future, sometime next week. The models are not picking it up. I don't know why, but they're not picking up on that. They're predicting mild, more of the same, and you'll see that when I get through. Okay, there's still a trend for let me get to the surface map. For a deeper trough and a slower track of the system, which will favor a significant coastal storm here across the Mid-Atlantic and the Southeast, and off the Mid-Atlantic coast early next week. See it right there. Notice where the 540 line is way up to the north, so I don't think there'll be much snow. There is still a chance on the system, and I'll get to that. I'll show you the ensembles. This is the real-time ensembles with the only goes up to 48 hours of the snowfall amounts. And let's see if I can get a closer one. Only goes up to 48 hours, so that doesn't work. So but there's still a chance that we could get some snow in the Northeast. We have to see how that goes. And this system will bring significant wind and wave threats, along with the potential of heavy precipitation as moisture wraps around the center of the low. And then the enhanced rains across portions of the Southeast and Mid-Atlantic may lead to local areas of flash flooding. With the Weather Prediction Center, ERO indicates excessive rainfall amounts. Okay, we're going to look at the period now for February 16th to the 20th. Still, it doesn't change very much. I have a ridge here, trough ridge configuration, more of a zone of flow. It's a little more flatter compared to the previous period, especially when we get to the end. This is the 20th. So for this forecast period, doesn't change since yesterday or all week. Below normal temperatures forecast here with anomalies near 6 degrees. Below normal, above normal temperatures here with anomalies of 2 to 8 degrees above normal for precipitation. Calling for below normal precipitation here and here. Probability of occurrence 35%. Above normal precipitation for this region. Probability of occurrence is near 40%. You see that they're still forecasting mild. So now we're going to look at the period for February 21st to 25th. Still have a ridge, trough ridge configuration, still flatter. Heights remain across the high latitudes remain the same. Positive here, negative here across the Arctic, Greenland. So there'll be, again, I sound like a broken record, little change in temperature anomalies. And for precipitation, Calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is near 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for February 11th to the 25th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.